Hey. So one of my Instagram followers, Sand at the Beach 67, said I need to show how I do my soups because I'm making soups frequently, mostly because they're convenient in the crock pot. So I told her, okay, I'll do this one day for you. Well, I'm gonna do it for me. So got my kidney beans. I've already soaked them overnight, rinsed them, put them back in the container because they're easier to pour from here. Oh, I found the rubber band I was looking for earlier. So, and I bought a pound of kidney beans at the Dollar Tree for $1. So this is a really inexpensive soup to make. 5 quarts. Perfect for the single parent on a budget. So there's that. Then I got some Food Line soup vegetables, which was $1.99. So far we're up to $3 on this wonderful, wonderful healthy soup. And so I realized this morning, I forgot to buy hamburger. So we're not doing Meatless Monday, but we're definitely doing a Meatless Tuesday. And I have no idea of anything that begins with T to put that together. So whatever. But I'm not vegan. I like extra vegetables, so I'm going to pour this in these. I bought this in Walmart for like $1. But I'm not going to pour in much, just a little bit, because it's a vegetable soup. And forgot the hamburger. Need all of what we can get in there. Tonight I will probably fix up some sandwiches to go with this. Grilled cheese sandwiches. Then I'm going to dump in some organic Hunt's petite diced tomatoes because I love tomatoes. These were 2 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, this soup is so easy. And clean up while you go, always. V8 juice. It was on sale for $1.50, so yeah, it was $1.50, $2.50. I think it was $2.50. I like the low sodium. I have a thyroid issue going on. I'm sensitive to salt, so we are cutting back on the salt so that I can be somewhat normal. Need water. Hold on a second. I'm just going to get some water from the sink here. There's my alarm saying I gotta hurry. We're just going to snooze that. Okay. Get some wonderful water in here. We are making 5 quarts of soup in the crock pot because the beans, I will put it on high for 6 hours. And that means it will literally just stay warm. I'm going to sprinkle in some turmeric because I like turmeric. I think it's really good for you and really helpful. I don't have salt, so I need some seasoning. And some black pepper. Alright, that's literally how easy this is. And I don't have any way to show you as I put it on the So I'm going to go over here where my wonderful crock pot is at. So you can see this. I got the crock pot right here over in the corner by the stove. Go ahead and plug it in. I'm going to set it on high for 6 hours. I'm going to come home to a delicious, wonderful soup. And we'll actually be able to have soup for a couple nights because there's only 2 people in my house. So, this is how easy this is. Anybody can do it. And it's cheap. Gotta love that. Y'all have a great day. Make sure you like, subscribe. Add me on Facebook and Instagram, TheMainKatie.